Hello guys, it's Gomes here. I am going to be showing you a nighttime look. All the products that I'm using are available at David Jones. I'm so excited to be using this new Starlit eyeshadow by Makeup Forever. It's really cool because you have so many colors to choose from. I'm super excited to use that. It's a new product in store, and this awesome David Jones brush kit, which is travel size, which is super glam. Loving. So I'm going to be doing a smoky eye. Smoky eyes are my favorite for going out. So I'm just going to start off with this color called Shooting. It's got a bit of shimmer in it. I've already got like a bit of concealer on and some blush, but I love to just focus on really getting the perfect smoky eye look. Then I like to get a bit of the dust and just put little shading in the inner eye, just gives a little sparkle. Giorgio Armani do this really amazing foundation. It's like full coverage and it's really great for evening. I've just put that on before doing the eyeshadow, and I always like to sort of like get a little bit more of it and just like dab it into my little spots and blemishes that I have at the moment. It's been a big week. I just like to dab it underneath my eyes after doing the eyeshadow. Then I love to use this Bobbi brown. It's an eyebrow kit actually. It's got these two colors that you can use to shade in your eyebrows. I always like to have thick eyebrows and keep them really bushy, but with a really nice shape. One of my favorite lipsticks is Tom Ford, the Lip Color Matte Rouge. It's called First Time. This is a really cool color. It's super matte. I always like that as a nude with my smoky eye. I like it a little bit smudgy too. Bit of mascara. I like to kind of put it on thick for the evening. This one is actually by Giorgio Armani from David Jones. It's super great because it super conditions the eyelashes and really gives them that volumized look that I love. And then I like to do them on my bottom lashes as well, so that my eyes are really open.